Hi everyone, thanks for watching my final presentation on Skeen, and this is Xiaohuan. The reason why I started working on this project is that I see a problem for many teenagers or young adults who is suffering from skin problems to get proper skin treatment products because they don't know how. Because there are so many treatment products for different skin problems that they can hardly tell their differences and make the right choice. Also, they don't get enough feedback of different products from users under different or similar situations. So aiming to provide possible solution to this problem, I designed this app named Skeen, hoping to help in the process of getting proper skin problem treatment products for teenagers and young adults by allowing them to compare different treatment products in an easiest and most understandable way, and allow them to explore more information they feel related to and to interact with users under similar conditions. So to better support this ideation, I conducted 3 interviews and 12 surveys with 10 eligible answers. And to get qualitative data out of these interviews, I draw affinity diagrams, trying to see their psychological demand, their current behavior pattern, the problem they're facing, and the expectation they're having to solve their problems. And to get quantitative data out of this surveys, I analyzed the survey results. According to the survey, the priority level of the factors they care in making the choice is like other users' feedback, ingredient, and price. Besides, 80% of the samples will try to learn more about different ingredients. However, they may fail to do so because it's too complicated. And also, 70% of the samples are sure to say that they need to get to know more about ingredients, and 80% say that they need more interactions with people under similar situations. Frankly speaking, I didn't expect that such a big portion of samples care more about the interaction part, but this is why I put more emphasis on that later on my next phase. Then comes to the prototype phase. As for the lo-fi prototyping, I created 2 user personas, 2 storyboards, and 4 sketches to trying to figure out the scenarios and outline of my app. After that, I used Figma to create wireframes of the whole system and a workflow that shows how this system will work. As you can see, after sign up or login, it leads to the menu, me, homepage, customize for comparing, and notification page. And there are several features under each main feature. And this will be presented in a more integrated way later in the hi-fi prototyping phase, so we may skip it for now. And then I got many valuable suggestions from the heuristic evaluation by my classmates, and there is some essential problems identified. And the first one is the comparing different treatment products tasks don't look like it has an interface. So I added search function when choosing the product to compare. And second, it's unclear what the personalization features that app is needed to provide for its users. So I added customize option when first sign up. Users can also customize their problems later, and better recommendations can be made based on these customizations. And the third one is there is no feedback when they were made. So I added pop-up windows to prevent users from unintended action, for example, when they try to log out. And the fourth one is if the product cannot be bought in the app, provide an interface that can guide the users to where the product can be bought at or from. But frankly speaking, as for this problem, because users' purchase methods and platform varies, and I haven't had enough knowledge to address these behavior user habits. So I haven't got a very good idea on how to solve the problem, but this is indeed a very valuable advice, and I'll try to add this feature when I know how to. And then comes to my hi-fi prototype. So now let's take a look at how my prototype is working. So when first sign up, users can customize their skin problems to see better recommendations. And after that, you may land into the home page, and there are two sections. In the Explore section, you may see new posts from strangers and make comments to their posts. And also in the Follow section, you may see posts from the one you are following and make comments to their posts. Also, in the home page, you can make your own post here. And then comes to the compare page. In this page, you can always customize your problems again. And when you are browsing on this page, if you find something you want to compare with another item, just by clicking it and search another item that you may know to make a comparison and to see the difference. And if you want to see more about the ingredient detail, you can click the ingredient name to see this chart. And then comes to the notification. You can see all your notifications here, your like and collects, followers, comments and mentions, and groups. In the groups, there are many different groups with different concentrations, and users with similar experience can share their posts here, can share their opinions here, and you can view members here. Also, you can create your own group and invite someone into your group, and you can view them, you can see them after they accept your invitation. And then the last one comes to the main page. You can see all this information here. And you can change your settings here. For example, you can change the mode and turn on or turn off the notification and enable or disable the autoplay and log out pop-up window to confirm. And after you log out, you can always re-log in anytime you want. So this is my hi-fi prototyping, and I conducted 4 guerrilla usability testings with my friends. And there are some essential problems identified in this phase. The first one is the prototype device uncompatibleness. Because the model I use and the phone I use to present this prototyping is not compatible, so the users cannot see the whole screen, including the whole contents and the navigation bar at the bottom. So I can remove the top navigation component to enable auto-adjusting. And the second one is, under the compare page, the ingredient detail page is not that obvious that people may just ignore it. And this page may not fulfill its function as intended. So I can add a tip saying like, click to see details in this part to make this function stand out more. And the third one is, in the notification page, they cannot see the contents and the profile of other users by clicking the avatar because I didn't create these pages. But I can add some corresponding detailed page to address this function better. And the last but most important one is, it's not finger-friendly enough. The users need click these icons very precisely to navigate themselves. So they may possibly regard them as not functioning. So I can either make the icon and explanatory text under them an integrity area so that they can click either place to navigate themselves, or I can enlarge the icons to make it more finger-friendly. And that's all. Thank you.